First of all, clear your cache directly in Premiere Pro. Open the media cache preferences as shown in the video. Click on the button to empty the project cache. You can also activate the option for automatic emptying of the cache and set the emptying frequency or a threshold limit. Go to your system drive, in my case Macintosh SSD. From your username go to Library, then Applications Support, Adobe and open the Common folder. Here, safely delete all files in the selected folders. As a last step, go to Documents, Adobe, Premiere Pro, then to the software version, in this case 13.0, and delete all files in the selected folders. Then empty the recycle bin and your computer will have some space again. If necessary, all cache files will be regenerated.